Hello viewers, hope you are well everyone, and today welcome you again from Solution Unlimited YouTube channel. And from video thumbnail everyone understand that today I will going to show you how could you make your barcode and QR code yourself into a Excel very easy trick, and which will be help you in your super shop and any other work. Okay, fine. So first of all, that this is the input data and this is the barcode I have generated, and this is the input data of QR code, and this is the QR code image file. So viewers, if you want to make this barcode, first of all you have to download a barcode font, which you will get from this download link. I will give in this download link on video description, and from here you have to download. From here click and download this. After download this, you will get this folder into this your download folder. After that you have to extract this file, g file, and after extract this g file you will get those two font, and from right click here and install this font, and it will be installed in your font on your computer. And also right click here and install this, install in your computer, and this your computer font will be installed here. Okay, fine. After that I am going to show you that how could you make this barcode. Okay, fine. I'll going to this is the blank format, and this is my inputted data which I want to make barcode. You have to make this a text font. Okay, fine. This you have to ensure that this is the text format only. Your input data will be text format only, and also this will be a text format only, and by default font it could be Calibri. Okay, fine. Right here the formula here, formula is the string, first bracket, and then you have to select your inputted data A2, then and close, then string. You have to write here another string. Okay, fine. This color will be changed, and after that last bracket close and string close. Viewers, we have to follow that. Here is start string, here is end string, here is start string, here is end string, and here is start end, here is start end, and this is the your desired data cell. It could be A1 or A3 or A4, whatever. After that press enter. Okay, fine. This is the formula is showing as text because this is the text format. Okay, fine. You have to click here, and after that you have to change your font, and I have also already installed that barcode font in my font library, and from here I have to choose the barcode font. Here is the barcode font I can see, and click here, and this your data will converted into a barcode, and if you change, you will change it, barcode will be changed. Okay, fine. Every every data you can change, and barcode will be also changed here. Fine. And this formula you have to just drag here and down here, and all code will be, all inputted data will be converted into a barcode font. In this barcode font your data is hidden situation. Okay, fine. And this by this way you could scan this barcode, and you will get this input data, and it will be helpful in your super shop or other product selling option, and whatever else. Fine. Now I will going to show you that how could you make QR code in your desired website or others, etc. So first of all, you have to select here and go insert. After that, my add-ons ins, click here store, and here going to show you many store category software from Microsoft. Here search button, you have to write QR code, then press search. After that, here is showed QR for office. QR for office, I have to add this and continue. After that, here a window will be generated. Here is the window and I have to work here. Viewers, look, here is different type of domain, different type of starting HTTP, HTTPS, etc. So I am choosing here HTTP and right here YouTube website address www.youtube.com, and there is generated a barcode. Here you can see this is the barcode, and insert, click, and this barcode will be inserted in your desired Excel formula, Excel sheet. Okay, fine. I am going to make it small size and placing here. Again, from here you can make Facebook barcode, and you can change your color from here, and color will be changed, and insert it, and Facebook barcode will be inserted with a blue color. Okay, fine. This looks very good. And if you want to make Amazon barcode, you have to write here amazon.com, and I am going to change this color, Amazon color, which could be green color, and I'll to insert this into my Excel sheet, and this is the Amazon QR code. Okay, fine. And later I am going to make a Google QR code, which will be, I have to write here www.google.com, and here generating Google barcode. I am going to change the Google barcode, which will be red color or pink color. Fine, this is the Google barcode, and I am going to insert here. So viewers, this is very easy trick here to make your barcode and QR code into Excel file, and after that you could print this and attach in your product body on all any other else. Okay, fine. So hope you understand this easy trick, and if you have any question, write on comment box. I will give you answer. So thanks again for watching this video.